Thanks for tuning in to Cars Russ here in Machesney Park. And today we're talking about how do I know I need to change my wiper blades? And along with that, how often should I be changing them? So I've got two different wiper blades. The cost is going to matter dramatically on which type of blade you have, and then also how long those blades are going to last. Okay. Bottom line with wipers, if it's hopping on the windshield, when it covers and it goes like that and skips, that's going to be a sign that those wipers are wearing out. Sometimes you'll see fraying on the end of the wiper. Sometimes the wiper will start to separate where the blade is coming off of the arm. Any of those are signs that you need wipers, or obviously if it's streaky. Now the hard part is you don't know that it's streaky until it's raining, and then you realize that you need wipers, and then it's hard to see. So you want to be preventative, check them once in a while, or just replace them time oriented. This is a beam blade. These typically last about twice as long as the standard blade and are typically about twice as much money. So I see people 3 to 6 months here, 6 to 12 months here. Matters weather conditions, how much you use them, and all the types of variance in temperature in your area. Any questions on wipers, give us a call here at Cars Russ in Machesney Park.
877